So students, next comes the equal matrices. So two matrices are called equal matrices when the order of the matrix is same. Order of both the matrices is equal. Both the matrices is equal. What is order? Order is nothing but m by n. So number of rows and number of columns in both the matrices are equal. And next to corresponding elements in both the matrices are equal. Next comes algebra of matrix. Algebra of matrices. So as addition and subtraction, I'm not talking about addition and subtractions here. Multiplication. We'll go for multiplication of matrices. Multiplication of matrices. First type of multiplication is called scalar multiplication. Scalar multiplication, where you will multiply a constant with a matrix. Let's say the constant is k and the matrix is A. So k is equals to 3 and A equals to matrix 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you multiply Ka, it will be Ka will be 3 into 2, 3, 4, 5. So this constant will be multiplied with each and every element in the matrix. So this will be 3 into 2, 3 into 3, 3 into 4, 3 into 5, 6, 9, 12, 15. So guys, generally when we multiply two matrices, multiplication of two matrices the rule is that number of columns in of first matrix must be equal to the number of rows of second matrix. It is compulsory for multiplication, only then you can multiply. I'll take an example. A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. B equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if you multiply, if you see, this is a 2 by 2 matrix, 2 rows, 2 columns. It has 2 rows but 3 columns, so it is a 2 by 3 matrix. So number of rows of first matrix and number of columns of first matrix and number of rows of second matrix are equal, so we can multiply, and the resultant matrix will be of this order, 2 by 3. Okay, so AB will be the order of 2 by 3. So let us calculate AB. AB equals to, so multiply this first row with first column and this first row with second column, first row with third column. Okay, 1 into 1 plus 2 into 1 into 1 plus 2 into 4, 1 into 2 plus 2 into 5, 1 into 2 plus 2 into 5, 1 into 3 plus 2 into 6, 1 into 3 plus 2 into 6, 3 into 1. Similarly, now we have second row. We multiply with all the 3 columns. So basically you have to take the rows from the first column, first matrix, and multiply with the columns in the second matrix. Okay, 3 into 1 plus 4 into 4, 3 into 2 plus 3 into 5, 3 into 3 plus, sorry, here 4 into 5, sorry, 4 into 5, and 3 into 3 plus 4 into 6. Now we will find the answer. Simple. So 1 into 1 is 1, 1 plus 2 into 4 is 8, 1 plus 8 is 9, 1 into 2 is 2, 2 plus 2 into 5 is 10, it is 12, 1 into 3 is 3, plus 6 into 2 is 12, so 12 plus 3, 15, 3 into 1 is 3, plus 4 into 4, 16, 16 plus 3, 19, 3 into 2 is 6, plus 4 into 5, 20, 26, 3 into 3 is 9, plus 6 into 4 is 24, 24 plus 9, 33. So this is the answer. So guys, this is how we multiply matrices. So now we have done with the matrices chapter. See you in the next video with the next chapter. Thank you guys. All the best for your exams.